Do you own a classic American muscle car like a Camaro, a big black Chevelle, or a Charger? Maybe a classic truck is your thing. Maybe you're building your dream ride and the emblems and lenses are the final details you need to put the finishing touches on your project and take it to the next level. Since 1973, Trim Parts has been recognized as a leading manufacturer of high-quality and factory-correct emblems, lenses, and other highly visible trim pieces that makes your Camaro SS396, your Dodge Charger Hemi, or your 57 Chevrolet Bel Air stand out from the rest. Manufactured for a wide range of classic American muscle cars and using original GM tooling where possible, Trim Parts emblems and lenses are hand-assembled and finished to a quality level that equals and exceeds the original emblems and lenses that were installed on your vehicle originally. Available at leading restoration and performance retailers, when the details of your build count, be sure to ask for Trim Parts products by name. You'll be blown away by the quality, fit, and finish when you install them on your ride. We know Marilyn was. Trim Parts, more bang for your buck, and when the details matter, ask for it by name.